talking about.
Excuse me, ma'am.
So this is question number B. Yeah, Sana?
You were talking about like the B answer or the A part. The A part.
What? What?
Before when you were talking about the answers, you were again repeating the A part. A part.
No, that was the B part. First, the theorem that you heard, that was for the pictures. You had to, for the first theorem, the picture was number SA, when the father was waking up his son. For second theorem, the picture was number day. Yeah, for third theorem, the picture was bay, and the last theorem picture was A.
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Now you have to do the question number B. B means this B. Yeah, this one. Yeah, you have to do this one. Clock, I have already made you understood, so there's nothing repeating here. You have to do this. They would tell you the official time in officially, and you have to note down what you will be listening to here. 5 theorems, 5 audios you will be listening. One question number 1 has been done for you. That is Dreizehn or Sane. Rest you have to find out from the theorem. So let's play. Theorem number 72. So this is 72. Yeah.
1. Willkommen in Köln Hauptbahnhof. Ihre nächsten Anschlussmöglichkeiten: Intercity 2010 Richtung München um 13:10 Uhr auf Gleis 3. Der Regionalexpress nach Bonn wird.
So this is how the audio will be gonna come. So
Again.
yeah, I'll play it again, but just let me give a tip here. Just focus on the timing. They would say a lot of things, but you have to keep your ears only to the timing, because aage piche ki cheeze you won't understand right now. So just keep your ears focused onto only timing. And in the first audio, try to find out ki aapne ye time suna ya nahi. Have you heard this thing or not? Just keep your focus onto that only. So here I'm playing it again.
1. Willkommen in Köln Hauptbahnhof. Ihre nächsten Anschlussmöglichkeiten: Intercity 2010 Richtung München um 13:10 Uhr auf Gleis 3. Der Regionalexpress nach Bonn wird.
Did you hear Dreizehn or Sane? Heard, right? So if you set up your mind that you need to hear the number, the timing, then baki cheezon pe you won't be focused. But so do not, I would say, scatter your focus. Keep it onto timings only. So now let's see, are you able to find out number 2 or not? So I'm playing question number 2. So here.
2.
Sie haben eine neue Nachricht. Ja, guten Morgen. Hier ist die Praxis Dr. Huber. Sie haben morgen um 16:45 Uhr einen Termin bei uns. Leider müssen wir Ihren Termin verschieben. Rufen Sie doch bitte bis morgen Vormittag zurück.
Ich spiele es noch einmal. एक बार में possible नहीं है, noch einmal.
2.
Sie haben eine neue Nachricht. Ja, guten Morgen. Hier ist die Praxis Dr. Huber. Sie haben morgen um 16:45 Uhr einen Termin bei uns. Leider müssen wir Ihren Termin verschieben. Rufen Sie doch bitte bis morgen Vormittag zurück.
Yeah. So let's see who has got the answers here. Sana, did you get the answer? Hour, minute, anything?
The last one I heard 440. 440.
Okay. Yeah, Revati, you?
440. 440.
440. But what did they tell in of like officially? They didn't say 4. What did they say?
1640.
16. Zexane. So Zexane. Sana, आपने Zexane सुना?
No, ma'am. It's too fast.
It was too fast. Okay. Zexane के बाद they said it was 40. Okay, let me play it again.
2.
Listen to it again.
Sie haben eine neue Nachricht. Ja, guten Morgen. Hier ist die Praxis Dr. Huber. Sie haben morgen um 16:45 Uhr einen Termin bei uns.
16:45 Uhr. What time it is? 16:45 Uhr.
16
16
Uhr.
45. What is 45?
54.
Yeah, Sana? 44. 45.
44.
45, not 44. 45.
Uh,
45. That is 45. The timing is
45.
16 Uhr 45. 16:45. 16 Uhr 45. So I can give you the room that you were unable to understand the minute, but 16 to clear hona chahiye tha. Okay, kein problem. Let's see. Let's move forward to question number 3. Or interesting, question number 3. Okay, see.
3. Ja, und dann haben wir auch noch einen Abendkurs für Anfänger. Und wann ist der? Immer Dienstag und Donnerstag um 18:30 Uhr. Wie lange dauert der Kurs denn? Ich habe an dem Tag leider nur immer...
Yeah, so what do you think? Okay, let me play again.
3. Ja, und dann haben wir auch noch einen Abendkurs für Anfänger. Und wann ist der? Immer Dienstag und Donnerstag um 18:30 Uhr. Wie lange dauert der Kurs denn? Ich habe...
Wie viel Uhr?
Can you just play it
Mhm.
again, please? Play it again, please.
Okay, I'll play it again. Chalo, let's give you all guys a room. Yeah, again.
3. Ja, und dann haben wir auch noch einen Abendkurs für Anfänger. Und wann ist der? Immer Dienstag und Donnerstag um 18:30 Uhr. Wie lange?
38. 8
Okay.
4 Uhr.
Okay, Sana, apne? Did you hear?
yes, ma'am, I heard. Dry fish.
What dry fish?
Asked over fish.
Okay, it was 18 Uhr dry fish. Let me
Yes,
see if
ma'am.
Samriddhi
Yes,
is
ma'am.
answering. Okay, sabne act suna, it is 18 Uhr dry fish.
I heard oxen.
You heard 18, then it's good. Yeah, so it was, Sana is right here, 18 Uhr dry fish, that is 18:30. 18:30 is 6:30. 18 Uhr dry fish. Okay, interesting. Then let's come to 4.
4. Was machen wir heute Abend?
Weiß nicht. Was gibt es denn im Fernsehen?
Moment. Um 20:15 Uhr kommt ein Krimi. Das hört sich gut an.
Ja, super. Den können wir uns ansehen.
Now, okay, again. This was easy as compared to the
4.
rest.
Was machen wir heute Abend?
Weiß nicht. Was gibt es denn im Fernsehen?
Moment. Um 20:15 Uhr kommt ein Krimi. Das hört sich gut an.
Ja, super. Den können wir uns ansehen.
Wie viel Uhr kommt ein Krimi? कितने बजे thriller आ रहा है? This is slow. Yeah. Sana, you are mute. Let's see Samrithi's answer.
Answers.
Yeah, sehr gut. Samriddhi and Sana, sehr gut. Ashwin and Revati, you didn't get it? Okay, Ashwin, your answer? What did you write? Swansish Uhr 15, 8:15. That was the answer.